Daddy, what does fair trade mean?
Well, sweetheart, it means that everyone who helped make the chocolate, from the farmer who harvests the cocoa bean to the factory worker who wraps the bar, got treated well and paid a fair sum.
But how do you know they aren't just saying that?
Well, I mean,
Of course, in the future, we'll never have to doubt the provenance of anything ever again.
where'd you learn a big word like that, sweetie?
While current banking systems run on private, centralised ledgers, meaning value gets traded slowly, indirectly, and with a high propensity for fraud, distributed ledger technology will change all that.
Distributed ledger technology? What are you talking about?
I'm talking about blockchain.
What on earth's blockchain? And what's going on?
Oh, Daddy, it's like that paper chain I made on the fridge. Except, instead of paper, it's made up of blocks of chronological transactions, time-stamped and added to the chain. And instead of putting it on the fridge, it's distributed to the ledger of everyone in the network, so everyone can see it and no one can change it.
This is revolutionary. This could change the way money moves around the world. There'd be no exchange fees, there'd be barely any financial fraud, and access to finance would be democratized to an almost unprecedented degree. My child's a genius.
It's not my idea, Daddy. And whilst what you said is true, it's pretty myopic just to focus on money.
Okay, don't get ahead of yourself.
Right now, blockchain is revolutionising all sorts of industries. Checking that chocolate is fair trade is just one issue of provenance, also faced by industries like the tuna industry, worldwide charities, or even intellectual property like music or scripts. Blockchain's also streamlining processes and self-executing contracts to lower admin costs in areas like insurance, the property market, and the energy industry. And don't even get me started on verification. Timestamp digital passports mean we can dispense with physical thing. Elections will prove every vote is cancelled and verified. And that's all before blockchain really takes off.
What happens then?
I don't know. I'm only 10, Daddy.
What?
Don't forget your chain.